Good afternoon and welcome to the Currency Spot, September 16th, 2010. I did mention a trade last night to buy the euro at 130.05. It did bounce off the pivot and the psychological point at 130. We got about 5 to 10 pips on it, so hopefully everybody got some profit. It was a good trade. Just to give you a quick rundown of my screens, on the left here we have the euro US dollar, on the right it's the Aussie US dollar, on the bottom I have the euro yen, and the US dollar yen is on the bottom left. I don't trade the dollar yen, that's just a proxy I use to kind of see market sentiment, especially since the yen's been going pretty crazy lately. So let's start with the euro dollar. This is actually my favorite trade today. It's been bouncing off of 131, had a tough time breaking, but I'm looking at buying at 130.61, which is 5 points above pivot. We have a good support there and a good support at 130.50 as a psychological level. It's tried to hit it twice, both times in excuse me, in the European and US session, so I don't see Asia breaking that support. They might. Anything can happen, but that's the plan on the euro US dollar tonight. Let's take a look at the other pairs. On the Aussie US dollar, on that pair, we're just kind of bouncing around pivots, so I have to wait until we see some direction here. If we break away above these highs here at 193.75, an Alcatraz would probably be a good play by the breakout, but I need to see some momentum before I do that. I'd actually prefer to sell it up here at 94. That's a tough spot to break. You can see it already tested it once this morning. I'd rather sell up there. You could even buy down here at the support one. That's R1, just so you know. Those are the pivot points that I have on the chart. And next on the list is the euro yen, and that it's still going up. I mean, it dipped a bit last night, but it's still slowly creeping up, and I'm not selling the euro yen today just because I don't want to sell the euro against the yen right now. There's just way too much sentiment. The government still may come in, so I'm staying away from that. I may take it long, but at this point I'm just going to watch and kind of see what happens on that pair. So that's the wrap for today. Again, my favorite trade is I will be going long on the euro US dollar 130.61 for a 5 to 10 pip profit on 80% of my position. Then I'll be riding another 20% and going for the runner. We'll see what happens. Good luck trading. Always keep your stops in place.